Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to another lesson. I'm here with my student Hassan. Today we're going to be looking at percentages increase and decrease using the multiplier method. I'm looking at clip 93 grade C from the Maths Watch CD. So let's have a look at one of the first questions. Let's look at the concept of increase and decrease first of all. So we have, for example, a 10% increase. How do we interpret a question that involves a 10% increase? So, Mr. Hassan, we have the normal price. What is the normal price of any item? The normal price is 100%. Okay. Now, if we increase something by 10%, what do? We add another 10%. Okay, so we have our original 100% is the value of any item. That is full value is 100%. We can increase it by 10%. So we can get to the original value, add another 10%, and that will give us a total value of 110%. So when we are working out a 10% increase question, we are actually working out 110% of that original value. So, as we said before, we have to add these two numbers up, the original percentage of the normal price, normal value, add the 10%, and that will give us our new percentage. Now 110%, if we want to do this using the multiplier method, as they do in our examination papers, we need to change that into a decimal. And the way that we change 110% into a decimal, so we have 110. If we want to change that into a decimal, what do? We divide it by 100. So we get the decimal point, which is at the end of any whole number. Okay, and we move it 2 places back, and that gives us a value of 1.1. So 1.1 is the multiplier we're going to need to use in the question that they give us. So if we put this question into a context, so for example, we have a ticket. We have a train ticket. It originally cost £12.50. Okay, are you okay, Mr. Hassan? Right, and then we increase it by 10%. So we just worked out the 10% increase as a multiplier is 1.1. So we get our £12.50, and we multiply and calculate by 1.1. So that will have the effect of increasing it by 10%. So we use our scientific calculator, Casio Natural Display. We type in 12.5, okay, times that by 1.1, and that gives us an answer of 55/4, which we use the SD. We use the SD button, that gives us 13.75. So the new ticket price is going to be £13.75. Okay. Thank you very much for joining us on this question. Please join us back when we look at a percentage decrease question. Thank you.